What's up everyone and welcome back to the channel. I am actually officially home from Sema, but today's video is going to be another one from Sema. I went by the Koch Chemie booth and again guys, I don't know if that's exactly how you say it. I've heard Koch Chemie, Koch Chemie, Koch Chemie, all this kind of stuff. K-O-C-H for me is Koch, like the Koch brothers. That's the only way I have any reference to that word. Koch Chemie is how I'm going to say it. Now, if you're unfamiliar with the brand, they've been creating a lot of hype over the last year or so, year to 2 years, I guess, since they've been brought into the US. It's a German brand. They do a ton of OEM work for a lot of different brands. I believe Porsche and Daimler and just a lot of different brands. They make fantastic products. So we're gonna head over to the booth and then there's a big announcement in there as well. And then I'll pause and I'll kind of dive into that a little bit deeper. But here we go guys, back to Sema. What's up guys? We are now over at the Koch Chemie booth and I have Jason here. Hello. So really exciting news guys, I'm actually gonna have Koch Chemie available on my site to purchase as well. I've been testing the product, I absolutely love it. And there's some real good value place too, because there's a lot of their products you can dilute quite a bit and it just makes it really economical and still get the absolute best performance. All right, so yes, I am going to be stocking the Koch Chemie line. I'm super excited about it. It's one of those lines that I didn't dive into right away because the price point on some of the products is a bit high. But when you look at them, the quality that they are, like they perform so well. And then so many of them are extremely dilutable that your actual cost per ounce or cost per usage is very low. So that's why I was like, you know what, this is a good brand to bring in because you're getting optimal performance out of it at a good price on the majority of the products. Some of the other things that are kind of ready to use, they're higher in price, but they do work fantastic. But we will be diving through the whole lineup, doing a whole bunch of videos, kind of talk about each one, comparing them to other ones as well, because I haven't done that. I know that I like this product. I think it works super well. But I haven't compared it side by side to other ones. It's just kind of an anecdotal, yes, I like this stuff a lot. So we'll be doing a lot of tests like that and really experimenting with the line. But the cool news is, guys, I have everything that I have in stock live on my site now. So I'll link all that information for you guys down below. I'll also add links to everything on Amazon because they do sell on Amazon. It's a little bit higher price because it includes free shipping. So keep that in mind. But like I said, everything will be linked in the description. Now let's jump back to Sema, finish out, talk about the new products, and go from there. They have a new compound coming out, so Jason's gonna walk us through that real quick.
Yeah, so basically if you're familiar with how our compound line goes, the red is our H9, so H901 has been what the market in the US has seen since our launch in 2020. So H902 is a new revision of that. So it's still cutting at the same 9 out of 10, but what we've done is that we've amended the, from like the baseline of the cutting agent, it's a higher grade aluminum oxide. So what it's doing in the process in cycle time is cutting a little faster than before.
Okay, very good.
And then it's also glossing higher than it did before.
Very nice.
So it's great, you know, in rotary form still, of course,
sure.
But it enables a lot of a really nice finish and a quicker cut if you're using a dual action polisher.
That's
or
awesome.
forced rotation, and you know, obviously that's where the detail world is going quite quickly.
Yeah, exactly.
You know, so.
And this product's not available quite yet, right? This is coming in.
It'll be available probably. We have it shipping over at the end of this year. I'm probably looking at January.
January? Okay, perfect.
Yep.
Sweet.
We do have 2 other new items coming in March if you want to just kind of view this way. So obviously you guys are have seen our color in our product system resembles what the products are. So all of our teal color is leather and plastic interior care. So this is GummyFix. So this is a product coming out in March of 23. This is an interior plastic care. What this is perfect for especially is like mats or entry guard plastic.
Yep.
It has an anti-slip additive in there.
Perfect.
So normally you guys are using a dressing or you're using something on your mats or your interiors that can cause a slip if it gets wet. This won't do that. So it's really great for that. Can you use it on dash and stuff as well? Of course you can. But we do, remember we have Top Star, and the Top Star has a UV inhibitor kind of built into it for extra protection on top plastics. And it also has an anti-static built into it. So it's all a lot better for your dashboard. This is really good on mats and other stuff.
So that is ideal. As a, you know, I run a lot of my details mobily, and I'll do a car for a customer, and you want to dress it up, the floor mats, to make them look as good as possible. But I always have to warn customers, hey, just be careful. It might be a little bit slick for a little while, you know. So having something like that is fantastic.
So in our orange line as well. our solvent line. You guys are probably familiar with Ulex. That's been our go-to adhesion remover, tar remover, decal remover. So we also have TEA. So it's a tear wash. This is a little bit of a weaker version of the Ulex solvent.
Okay.
We do that because this is really geared towards exterior and paint only, really.
Sure.
Can a pro use it on plastic if they know what they're doing? Yes, of course they can.
Yep.
But this is a lot more geared towards paint and plastic.
Gotcha.
And if
Perfect.
you have the old, I'm sure detailers have seen, a guy just plops down an old GPS and mounted to the dashboard, and you got that residue when you detail the car. And a used car dealership takes that car in on trade, and you got to figure out how to get that goo off of there. This is perfect for that.
Perfect, and no dulling agent
use
to
on
it.
Interior plastic.
Yeah, just because you can't get dulling from it.
The
right?
solvent is so strong in that it could pull color.
Gotcha.
So,
and this no issue with that.
This isn't as strong for that reason.
Awesome, very cool.
Dedicated tar remover, but you can use it for other things as well.
Perfect.
And yeah, it's just even if you open it up and smell it, it's not as strong as the Ulex.
Gotcha. Very good.
So that's coming in March of 23 as well.
Awesome. Well, thanks so much, man. That's
of course.
Incredible. Again, guys, I am going to be having this stuff live on my site as well. It's just a fantastic brand. I love all the branding behind it. The team's super cool. So, Jason, thanks so much for your time, man. I appreciate it.
Yeah,
absolutely.
Thanks. Yep. See you guys.
Okay, guys, so that is it for today's video. Just really quickly, I want to tell you my favorite product so far that I've been using. I've been using it on my Porsche Cayman. I absolutely love it, and it's Polestar and then combined with Leather Star for my interior cleaning. Fantastic product, really, really, really high dilution ratio. I'm able to get a ton of work done with just a little bit of product, so I like that one a lot. But that's it for today's video. Please make sure to like the video, make sure you're subscribed, turn on that notification bell. We'll see you on the next one.